Creating product photos with AI can be a powerful way to produce high-quality images without needing a physical photo shoot. Here are the general steps you can follow to create product photos using AI tools. So first of all, let's dive into FlairAI. This is the homepage. So choose FlairAI, a platform for creating branded content. You can just follow these steps. First of all, you have to sign up, then you create your a project. The third one is upload brand assets, then you design with EA, then you review and edit, then you download and use and then you additional features, and the last one is support and resources. So first of all, let's know what is Flair. Flair.ea is an AI-powered platform focused on streamlining and enhancing creative processes, particularly in the realm of visual content creation. It leverages advanced artificial intelligence to assist users in generating, editing, and refining images, making it a valuable tool for designers, marketers, and businesses. So this is the home page. As you can see here, we have a various information, but before, let's know about pricing. Use Flair for free with your whole team upgrade to enable limited issues, enhanced security controls, and additional features. So it's absolutely for free and forever. So features you have here up to 10 images per month and up to 5 projects. So if we come back in the home page here, we have a various information before get started and sign up. We have firstly make stand out content with stunning templates. We have here make stand out content with stunning templates. We have here still life, furniture, food. You can select the niche you want. If you scroll down, we have also stitch scenes digitally with drags, draw props, bring it to life with AI. And you have your mix and match product with templates, test design concepts that covers customers with one click, build reusable templates at scale, and other information like bold slack shoots faster than ever. And you have your fashion photo shoots, and also your iterate collaborate also, and we have your scale your design with EPA, and also design with Flair and other things. So to get started, all you have to do is click over get started for free. So you can use Google or you can use email. So you can just write your email or find your account using Google and you link with it. So this is the home page. We have here first things. This is my account. We have your workflows, beauty, fashion, food, furniture, CPG, staging, accessories, home goods also, and you have your explore works. You have skincare, beauty, fashion, photography, and other things. So if you want to build your project, all you have to do is click over create fashion project here. So you can just click over it and upload your product photo. You can also select the one you want here, and that's it. Then you have the second step is generate. So you can just choose your settings of your photo products. Like here we have, you can just view all. Prompt builder we have reference image. You can upload your image, and we have here reference applies here, and you edit the prompt on the formula. Like here we have avocado toast. Also here you can just choose on, standing on, lying on, and here you write, here we have a wooden table, and here with our next to surrounded by, you can just select your settings of your product photos. Then we have a number of results. You can select 1 2 3 4, like 3 here, and then correct color also. You can just switch on or switch off. I have default here. On the straight you can just choose weak, extra weak, default, strong, extra strong, color strength also. You can select extra strong, strong, weak, no one, and the last one also we have default, extra strong, weak, no one. And that's it about generate. About prompts, you can just search by keyword, food here, decorate it, garnish, you can choose the niche you want, and you select what you want. Then we have here humans, female skincare and beauty models. We have also casual models here, and then we have male models, and we have also handles holding smaller products, and the last one is hands. Then here we have edit image tools. We have first remove background, remove the background of your image in one click. You have magic erase, upscale creative, image variations, color also, and here you select no one or other things like full color, 10th no one color here also, and the price here, and here we have also one suffix, you can select PNG or JPG, and finally download your image and you can just share it. That's the last one. So before that, if you want to upload your product, you should have already a photo or download it. So you can just use canva.com, so it's free and it's easy for sign up. This is my account. You can just get started and sign up for free, and you click over customize site here and you click over presentation. Then we have here design elements, text, brand, employees, draw, projects. You can search about your projects and you select it here, and you can add comment, you can delete the title, use your own title, you can delete the number phone, the link, and use yours. Then we have your quick actions, you can search about anything. Have also position here, background color, so you can choose all you want and you modify. You can also add page notes here, presenter notes, duration also, timer also here, and we have here home page, quiet view, present full screen, and ask now. Also have your quick action, and finally if you finish all of that, you can just upload the image in Flare. So all you have to do is click over share here and you just download it and you share it in Flare here and you upload the product photo. FlairAI represents a significant advancement in the field of digital marketing by integrating AI into content creation and analysis processes. It enables businesses to enhance efficiency, gain deeper insights into their audience, and produce more relevant content. This innovative approach transforms how businesses communicate and interact with their customers, providing them with a competitive edge in a constantly evolving market. So this is it, how it works with Flair to build your own product and start sharing and sell your product. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.